Hindi naman ngayon yan, last year yan ha. Ah, ngayon ba yan? Ay, ngayon nga oh. Ngayon nga yan oh. Ini-edit lang agad. Grabe, ang bilis ah. Kanina lang yan ah. Nice.
Pag-po natin ang Elf Lubricants. At dahil nagra-ride tayo, syempre, we will be awarding dahil pinaghandaan naman natin to.
Yan, syempre, the best dapper male category. So, itadagdag ko lang po ito sa raffle na habol ng punch. Sasama sa raffle.
So, pagwapuhan to. Pagandahan.
So, syempre, simulan natin sa best dressed male. So, let's begin with our warning. First, let's recognize the man who didn't just ride in class. He owned the road in style.
From the photo wall to the ride route, this gentleman was a walking dapper icon. Our judges and his Facebook post agree.
And the winner of the Best Dressed Male Award, sponsored by Elf Lubricant, is... Meron ba tayong listahan ng manalo? Dahil wala pa sa akin kung sino ang Best Dapper. Eto na. Eto na.
Ayun, no?
Ladies and gentlemen, eto pala. Ha? Dennis Bernal!
Sir Dennis Bernal!
Dennis Bernal.
Palakpakan po natin si Sir Dennis Bernal.
Sir Dennis, please come up on stage.
Talagang parang yung old style. No?
Yan, tignan na natin. Sir Dennis, any message?
Ang pogi ko pala ngayon. Hira akong maligo eh. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. On behalf of DGR, I'd like to thank everybody. Tsaka lalo na yung Vespa Club of the Philippines.
Congrats.
Vespa Club of Quezon City. Thank you very much.
Congratulations, Sir Dennis. Dito ka muna. Mag-photo op muna tayo.
Ayan, Sir
Alam mo ba
Dennis.
na nanalo ka ng limited edition DGRX Elf merch and 2 liters
Wow!
of Elf Moto 4 Road 10W40 lubricant. Ride smooth, ride proud, ride dapper.
Siyempre, kung may best male tayo, tatawag tayo ng best female.
Kaya, syempre, bago natin yan, syempre, ano muna, solve muna ni Sir Dennis, photo op with our...
Okay, check it out, guys. Yan. Catwalk. I'm too sexy too. Kaya, meron pa, di ba? Kasama sa ano yan, sa dapper, di ba?
Oo, may ganyan
Siyempre,
lang.
kasama na tayo dito.
Oo.
Ayan, Sir Dennis, congratulations.
Kailangan.
Coming from Elf Lubricants.
Check it out. Puro tayo, meron naman.
Thank you very much.
So,
Palakpakan muli natin, Sir Dennis.
Eh, Dennis, dito na muna siya para ipay na natin.
O sige, Sir Dennis, dito ka daw muna.
Ayan, dito ka muna kay Dennis. Ang tatawagan naman natin, ladies and gentlemen, for the best dressed female. Next up, let's give it for the woman who proved that elegance and edge go hand in hand.
She turned heads with her style, her ride, and her poise. And her post at the Elf photo wall sealed the deal.
And ladies and gentlemen, the winner of the Best Dressed Female Award is... Desi Chan!
Congratulations, Ma'am Desi.
Yeah. From Vespa, Quezon City, Club of Quezon City.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, alright.
Ma'am Tessie, please share the stage with us.
Yan, at syempre, sa presidente na lang tayo. Birthday ngayon, Mr. Rob Martinez. Ayan, tama? Happy birthday, sir. Alright, at dahil dyan, ma'am, dito po kayo sa gitna for your photo. Siya muna mag-isa. Then after that, ibibigay natin yung ELF products together with Sir Jason of ELF. Alright, now together with Sir Jason, please receive your award.
Congratulations, you'll be taking home exclusive ELF X DGR merchandise and of course 2 liters of ELF Moto4 Road 10 W40. Beauty with horsepower.
Alright, kompletuhin na natin, ladies and gentlemen. Let's move on to the best dressed couple. Now, this next award is for the pair who absolutely nailed the theme. Twice as stylish, twice as impressive.
Whether they rolled up like vintage royalty or look like they stepped out of a time machine, their chemistry and coordinated style stole the show.
And ladies and gentlemen, the winner of the Best Dressed Couple Award brought to you by Up Lubricants are...
Best couple to.
Best Couple!
Yeah.
Gian Zara Banzil
And
and Julius Diaz!
Ma'am Gia.
Ayun! Come on up stage and take center stage for your photo. Check it out, the best dressed couple. Sir Gian Zara Bansil with Julius Diaz. Ayun, ma'am,
Congratulations po. Congratulations to our lovebirds. You've both won matching DGRX ELF limited edition goodies and your bike just scored 2 liters of ELF Moto4 Road 10 W40 because great couples ride in sync. And may we call on our winners to take the center stage para naman makita ng lahat ang pinaghirapan natin today at the DGR Manila 2025. And of course, we would like to thank our sponsor, ELF Lubricants. Palakpakan naman po natin.
Let's give a big round of applause to all our winners and of course to ELF Lubricants for making the celebration of style even more exciting. Alright, channel folks, eto na. What an incredible day it has been. From the streets of Quezon City to the halls of Century Park Hotel, we've shared stories, smiles, styles, and purpose.
Yes, and while the program is winding down, the mission continues. Fundraising for men's health doesn't stop here. You can still donate to your favorite rider or team until July 1st, 2025. Just head over to www.gentlemansride.com.
Every peso counts. Every donation helps save lives. So if